Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless.
Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY Starbucks drink. So I showed how to make the double chocolate chip frappuccino and the caramel frappuccino and the pink drink. So I hope you enjoy. I will get on to how to make the drinks now. So for the first drink, I took 2 cups of ice, then 1 cup of milk, then 2 tablespoons of sugar, then a little bit of vanilla extract, then 1/3 cup of chocolate chips, then chocolate syrup, and put them all in the blender to blend. After that, I poured it into my cup and then added my whipped cream and my syrups on top of the whipped cream. So for my second drink, I took 2 cups of ice, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a half cup of coffee, and a caramel syrup, and I mixed them all into the blender. Then I poured them into my cup, and after they were in the cup, I added my whipped cream, and then I added my caramel syrup onto the whipped cream. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't. It isn't in my blood. So for my last drink, I took 4 packs of berry tea, a half cup of grape juice, 1 cup of coconut milk, and then I added my strawberries and added to the blender. After it was all blended, I took it out and put it into my drink, and then it was all good to go. Okay, so that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat because I did every single person back. And if you would please help me, I'm trying to get to 20,000 subscribers by the end of 2018. So you should subscribe to help me get there. It would mean a whole ton. Okay, that's all I have to say, so goodbye!